All right, I just decided to start recording. Making a very quick little lunch here. I wasn't going to record because I was actually going to kind of make it like a burger. Then I decided to do a little something different to lighten it up. So I did eat something before. I had a little prosciutto, a little bit of apple, and cheddar cheese. I'm definitely keeping fruit in my food list, bank, whatever you want to call it. My allowed to eat category. So I cook it at medium temp now. Start with a nice hot pan though. So, just to change it up a little bit, I'm going to use a little beef broth. It's like a quarter of a cup. I'm not making soup, I just wanted to. So this is beef broth that I made. I had it frozen. It's bone broth actually. I made it with bones. Neck bones, to be exact. It's good, right? Mm-hmm. More cheddar. Shred it on there. Let it cook in. And this is cooking in ghee. Crumbled Amish blue cheese. I'm going to shut the heat. Let it melt in. Gorgonzola cheese. I'll make a little bit of a gravy there. Almost like a little goulash, right? Okay, then now it's not in the heat anymore. I'm going to take just a tiny, tiny drop. You don't want to do too much. You don't want it to curdle. Of heavy cream. Mix it in. Just a tiny bit. That was like maybe a teaspoon, one more teaspoon. You don't want it to be too much cold going in there. It's going to hit it and it's going to curdle. If you just put a tiny bit in, let that temperature get a little bit. See, just a tiny bit, just to make just a little something different than a hamburger. I like to cook, so if I'm going to do this, it's got to work for me. So I got to get creative. I'm going to try to make a banana pudding later because I'm eating fruit still. So I'll take some of my Himalayan sea salt, let it rain down a good amount. Okay. So I'm still feeling good. This is day 2. I have to say I'm really feeling good, not having much of a sugar craving. Like I said, I had 1 apple today so far. Half in the morning, half after my workout, and then I had coffee with just some heavy cream this morning, and then it's 2 o'clock, I had a cup of tea with a little honey. I feel good. So now I'm going to eat this, and then more work to do. One of these days you'll see me with my hair done. Life of a trainer. I'm a hairdresser too. This is really delicious. It's just hot. It's good.